Baby, when you leave, I not go leave. Oh. Girl, I wanna stay here with you. Oh.
Welcome back to another video. So this will be the look I'm doing for today, so stay tuned. All the products used in this video will be listed in the description bar below. First, I'm going in with my primer to set as a base for my foundation. You never want to put foundation directly on your skin, which can increase the amount of breakouts. This is one of my favorite primers for people with oily skin. The only downside about it is that sometimes it leaves a white cast and requires more effort to blend in because of its thick consistency. Next, I'm going in with my concealer and blending it out. I use this method in order to help with hyperpigmentation in my skin to even out before I put my foundation on. And when I tell you, blending is very important. I cannot stress this enough because of the fact that I see people who go out with their makeup and it's not fully blended. So next I'm applying my foundation. I would love to stress also that putting your foundation on your neck is very important. You don't want to have your face looking like one color and your neck a different one. Next, I'm going in with my concealer, which is 2 shades lighter than my foundation. And I would usually recommend people that they only use a concealer 2 shades lighter than their foundation or 1 shade lighter. They should never pass anything that's too bright. Because once that happens, when you take flash photography, you will then get flashback. So it's very important that you make sure your color is right, that you're not using an excessive amount, and also not using a concealer too bright. This is what it all should look like after putting on your concealer. Then I'm going in to blend it all in. And this is where I stress that blending is very important as well when it comes to this area of your face. Next, I'm setting my under eye with some powder. And next, I'm going in with my contour stick to chisel out my cheekbone area, my forehead, my jawline, and my chin. This will bring more depth back into your face. Now I'm going in to blend it all in with a small sponge. Blending takes some time when it comes to applying cream concealers. Blend, blend, blend. I like to bring it down close to my mouth a little bit in order to give my jawline more structure. Then I'm going in to dust off all the powder that was left on my face. Then I'm going in with a bronzer to set my contour on my cheekbone area. Then I'm going with a smaller brush with a contour color to chisel out my cheekbones. Next, I'm going in with my blending brush to just blend out the contour powder I put on my face. Then I'm going in with that powder again to chisel out more of my contour. And then I'm applying some a little bit on my chin. Next, I'm going in to contour my nose, which actually has taken me a long time, maybe a couple years, to figure out how to master, but recently I figured it out. So if you guys want a nose contour tutorial, let me know. Next, I'm going in with a brush to blend out my nose contour. I would recommend using a smaller brush or sponge. Next, I'm going in with some contour powder to set my nose contour. Next, I'm taking a damp sponge and putting my liquid highlighter on it and applying it to my face. It's important to blend this part out But hey, okay, Anastasia. Beverly Hills. Okay. But yeah, this is my favorite liquid highlighter. And then I'm going into the other side of my face and blending it out. This highlighter is very quick to drying, so be very quick with pressing it into your skin. And then I'm taking some and applying it on my nose. Then I took a smaller sponge to blend it out to be more precise, so that it's not all over my nose, which is very important because you don't want your highlight to get anywhere else but on specific areas that you want to brighten. Little dance. Just blending it out a little bit more. Looking at it, look at that shine. Just adding some on my forehead. Next, I'm taking my setting spray and spraying my fan brush to set my liquid highlight with some highlighter. Then I'm going on the other side of my face to add more highlight. A little bit on the tip of my nose, or a lot, down the bridge of my nose. Next I'm going in with my favorite mascara. When I tell you, ever since I started using this, I've never turned to any other mascara. Look at the difference. I'm so obsessed. It always does the job that I need it to do, and it always brings out my lashes. And there's like a little specific method I do in order to make my lashes stand out a lot more. So if you ever want me to go in depth about it, I can do a video on that as well. Now I'm just going on my lower lashes. And finally, I'm setting my face with my favorite setting spray. Finally, I'm going in with my favorite lip gloss. And when I tell you I haven't been able to put this thing down, it's become my new obsession. So this is the final step. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for another video. And please don't forget to like and subscribe.
Girl, it's on with us, it's me and friends. I want you to help me understand. Love it when you ride me like a Benz. Why you tryna fuck up all